Here's a sentence that quietly broke the internet for developers this year. I don't prompt Claude anymore. I have loops running that prompt Claude and figure out what to do. My job is to write loops. That came from Boris Cherny, the person who actually built Claude code at Anthropic, not a random influencer. The guy who created the tool just told the world he stopped using it the way you probably still are. So what changed? For 2 years, working with AI meant one tiring cycle of you and the model. You wrote a prompt, read the answer, wrote the next one, held its hand the entire way. Cherny came up with loop. But now the question is what exactly a loop is. Well, loop is an instruction you give to LLM. Here, instead of a task, you give the AI a goal. It writes, checks its own work against that goal using a separate model built just for grading, corrects itself if it's wrong, and only comes back to you when the condition you set is actually met. This isn't theory. Claude Code shipped this as an actual feature on 11th May 2026, a built-in /command called goal. Set something like all tests pass and the code is clean, and Claude keeps working, checking, and fixing on its own until that's true. No babysitting required. And the results are already being reported. People running these loops say Claude ends up authoring more than 80% of merge production code, and teams shipping this way report roughly 8 times more code shipped per day. So maybe it's time to stop perfecting your prompts and start writing your first loop instead. Try it today, see what it builds for you, and follow for more AI updates.